is given GCSE past question paper, question number 24 of paper 3, foundation tier. Here is a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 7 cm longer than the width of the rectangle. What that means is that if the width of the rectangle is x, the length will now become x plus 7. That is why it is 7 cm longer than the width. Now, 4 of these rectangles are used to make this 8-sided shape. Okay, the perimeter of the 8-sided shape is 70 cm. Work out the area of the 8-sided shape. Let us begin. Since we have known the width of the rectangle and the length of the rectangle, the width is x cm and the length is x plus 7. Now, to find the perimeter, we are going to label all the corners of the rectangle. So, this width has a value of x, while the length here is x plus 7. Width here is x, here is x plus 7. This place is going to be x, y here will be x plus 7. Here is going to be x, y this place is now going to be, here is x, so this place is going to be the plus 7, okay? Because already inside here is x, all right? Inside here is x. We are not going to use it in perimeter. Now, this place is now going to be x plus 7. Now that I have listed all the corners, okay, look at this place remaining. So this place also is going to be 7, while the inside is going to be x. All right. I am now going to take all the corners of this rectangle and add all of them. And after adding them, I will equate it to the perimeter given to me, which is 70 cm. Doing that, I begin. Let me begin from here. I am starting from here, and I will go in the clockwise. So the first to record is x plus 7, then plus x plus 7, x plus 7. Then next is plus this x plus x. Next is plus x plus 7, x plus 7. Next is this x going up, x. Next is going to be 7 alone because the other x is inside. So I'm taking the ones outside the rectangle. That is 7. Next is going to be x plus 7, the vertical part, x plus 7. And next is going to be this x. Then I have x. And lastly, I have x plus 7, x plus 7. So the whole of this is going to be equal to 70 cm. This equation that I have established now is going to help me to get the actual value of x, which represents the width. And from there, I can now add it to 7 to get the length of the rectangle. Therefore, we begin. Follow me. I add all the x values. Let me change the color of my pen as I add them. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got there 8x. 8x. Now I will add up all the numbers. So here is 7 plus 7, 14. Then plus another 7 is 21. Then plus another 7 is 28. Plus another 7 here will give me 35. Then plus another 7, that is going to give me 42. So I got 8x plus 42. Everything now is equal to 70. At this point, 8x is equal to, let me scroll up a bit. Now, 8x is equal to 70. Take away 42. Subtract 42. All right. Now, if that is done, when I now do 70 minus 42, that is going to give me 28. So I got 8x is equal to 28, meaning that the actual value of x is going to be 28 divided by 8. And when that division is taken, I am going to get 3.5. What does this mean? It implies that the width of the rectangle is 3.5. So therefore, in that rectangle that is given to me like this, okay, the width now is 3.5, whereas the length is going to be 7 plus 3.5. And that is going to be 10.5 centimeters. All right. Now that I have known that, the question said that I should find the area of the rectangle. The work now is becoming easier. Why? Because I know the dimension of the rectangle. The x was the issue, but now that I have found that unknown, using algebra method, I can now put the formula for finding area of a rectangle. And the area of a rectangle is given by length multiplied by width. Okay, which means the length now is 10.5 multiplied by width, which is 3.5. This is now going to give me the area of one rectangle. That is 3.5 multiplied by 10.5. So that is now going to be area of one singular rectangle is going to be 36.75 cm square. Mind you, the eight-sided shape is made up of 4 rectangles, okay? And it is straight. Look at it here. 4 of these rectangles were used to make this eight-sided shape. Therefore, since I have known the area of one rectangle, what I will simply do is to multiply the area of one rectangle by 4. And that is going to give me the area of the 4 of them. Therefore, in conclusion, area of the entire shape will now be equal to 36.75 multiplied by 4. And that is going to be multiplied by 4 will give me 147 cm square. Final answer. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to my channel